Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, like the video, and also share within and outside your circle. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys different styles of kimono that you can use as inspirations to get new designs to make when you're working on your sewing projects. Recently, I also posted a video of a kimono with a chain back and no side seams. Guys, it has no side seams and I'm telling you, anyone can make it even if you're a beginner. So guys, you guys should check it out. I'll link it up here and in the description box below so that you guys can go check it out. Now, the kimono is an all-time staple for every woman or man. Like, yes, guys also wear kimono and it always looks so amazing on them. I'm going to do another image compilation probably very soon on, guys styles that they can use as inspiration. I'm going to compile it and you guys are going to see the amazing designs that even a guy can wear and even a lady can wear what a guy is wearing. You can make your kimono as a short length, knee length, midi, maxi. The choice is yours in any fabric of your choice: Ankara, chiffon, lace, and even tulle. Yes, tulle. So guys, enjoy this amazing compilation. I hope you guys love it. Also comment in the comment section of any other compilation you would like me to do. I will be ready to work on it. If it's kaftans, if it's anything, just tell me and I would make that image compilation and you guys would see the amazing options that you can have, based on your preference. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it in and outside your circle again, and yes, just enjoy this amazing compilation. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage. Signing out. Enjoy, guys.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop competing, if you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em, make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em, if you take off the cast, you can see all the healing, if the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it, I just wanna be iconic, sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it, you know that I'm always honest, stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything, it's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy, I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity, come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless, spread just like a virus, living in a crisis.